Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If the iPhone and iPad shows cellular issue detected on iPhone and iPad, then keep watching this video until the end, cause today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue in iOS 15 and iOS 16. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to remove the beta profile if you have any. To check that, first we have to go to settings, then tap general. Here we have to tap on device management and check the list. Is there any beta profile? Then remove the beta profile. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to some other solutions. Number 2, disable and enable cellular data and also disable 5G. For that, first we have to go to settings, then tap mobile or cellular data and tap mobile data option, and we have to disable the 5G network and select 4G. Then go back to mobile or cellular data and disable mobile or cellular data. Then force close all the app data running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then turn off your iPhone, remove the SIM card, clean the SIM card properly and reinsert. In the end, do the final step. First we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Here we have to tap on reset and tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.